It's wider.
Holy moly!
Oh my gosh.
Holy moly!
Wow.
Here we go.
Okay. Oh! Uh-oh.
Oh, hey, open, Michael! Look, 2 beds! See it? Look at the view. Let's do the view.
Oh, I like this one better.
It smells nicer.
It does, but it's wider.
Holy moly!
Oh my gosh.
Holy moly!
Wow.
Oh my gosh!
She hooked us up. Oh my god. Oh my
Yes!
god. Yes.
Oh my god!
Wow, look at
Are you
that.
kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Look at
Woohoo!
This is the perfect height. Here's our room. Our 2 beds. Nice big wide room. Plenty of room for both of us to get in.